Hello everyone, welcome back to Nirja Education channel. I hope you all are doing well. Before we get into this video, I would request you to subscribe our channel Nirja Education and press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications. In this video, we are going to learn about cartoon tool which is there in the Tux Paint and how to use that and many more tools. So let's get into that. So first of all, I am going to select the new button and from the backgrounds, as you can see on the screen, I am going to select a background, this one. So double click on that, you will get your background over here. Now from magic tool, I am going to select the cartoon effect and from this corner to all over the screen, I am going to drag my mouse. Press and drag it. Can you see the difference between this and this wall? Right? So this will create nothing but the cartoony effect in your computer or in do it properly and then this is it. So it will create a cartoon effect to your image, as you can see over here. Done. So this was your cartoon effect. Now I don't like this effect, so what I have to do, I have to remove it. For removing it, I will use the undo command. So I will use it again and we are back with the original photograph. Now one more effect I am going to show, which is the darken effect. So how it will turn your image, let's see that. Can you see the difference? It will turn your image in the darker mode. If you do it again and again, it will turn it to the black color. Can you see that? Right? So this is the use of darker mode. I am going to undo this command and we'll start with the again from the first onwards. So you have to do it very carefully. In one stroke only you have to do. If you go for the second one, it will create another darker mode. So don't lift your finger from your button of mouse. Keep moving your mouse. And done. So this is your darker mode, right? You can see the difference. If I press the undo command, you will see the difference. This is the brighter one and this is the darker one. And at the end, what we have to do, we have to save the file. So this was about your cartoon mode and the dark mode. Stay tuned with Nirja Education for more educational videos and keep learning with it.